friends, welcome to our channel. This is your Srinivas. See students, now question number 13, 14, 15, 16 are a very interesting question. Very interesting. Let us see. Just for you. In the figure, find x value. Yeah, okay. Here PD value 7 given, PB value 5, AB value we have to take it as x. Friends, this is the tangent, this is the total line segment from the total end point of the circle. In this case, we should use one theorem will be there. In tangent and second to a circle, one theorem will be there. Here, well, the theorem is PT square equals to PA into PB. Actually, this is a very interesting theorem. Okay, no? That theorem I should apply here. PD square is equals PA into PB. Friends, PD is 7 given. This is a PD. Now, this is the value 5. PB value 5. What about PA? PA means 5 plus x. 5 plus x. Simple amount. 7 square into 5. 7 square is equals to PB into PA. 5 into 5 plus x. So 5 5s are 25. 5 into x 5x. 7 square 49. 49 minus 25. That is equals to 5x. 49 minus 24. How much, Nana? 24. 5x equals 24. 24 by 5. 5 1 ja, 5 4 ja, 5 8 ja. 4.8. Yes, this is the 4.8 centimeter. That's it. Clear? What I am using now? PD square equals to PB into PA. Children, PD square equals PA into PB. This kind of question I saw 4 times it came. This kind of question 4 times in policy exam. Remember, PD square equals to PB into PA. 7 square equals to 5 into 5 plus x. Remember, okay? Next. Now answer will be 4.8 centimeter. The sides of AB, BC, CA of a triangle ABC touch at a circle internally. Okay, at places PQR respectively. PA equals to 4, BP equals to 3, AC equals to 11. Then find BC. Dear children, I told you, I have to divide this triangle like a circle. You see, this is a tangent of a circle. This is a tangent. These two are tangents. These two are tangents. So when the I told you, tangents are always should be equal. That means this is 4. This is 4. This is 3. This is 3. BB equals to BQ. AB equals to AR. Now what about RC? This is 3 got Nana. I want BC. Actually I want BC. If you know the RC, then automatically QC will come. Total 400. 11 minus 4 how much? 7. This is also 7. 7 plus 3, 10. This is your answer. Finish. Got it? Thank you. Next. Have you understand? Now, 4, 4. 3, 3. This value, if you know, automatically this value you will get it. Total 11 minus 4, 7. This is 7. 7 plus 3, 10. Clear. Friends, now the tangent P and PB from P to a circle with center O are inclined each other at an angle, are inclined each other at an angle 80 degree, then the value of P, this is the value. You see this kind of question they are asking sometimes here, sometimes here, sometimes here. Okay, this is very easy, very concepted question. This is 80, this is just one triangle. One triangle. This is 80. It will be divided to equal parts. Means this is 40. Always this is the value will be 90 degree. Point of contact should be 90 degree. The angle between radius and tangent of through the point of contact is 90 degree. This is 90. Automatically total 180, automatically how much? 90 plus 40, 130. Out of 180, 180 minus 130, 50. So answer will be 50. How it is easy without pen and paper, just logical. 40, 90, 130 plus 50, 180. So answer is 50. POA is 50. Sometimes they are asking AOB 50 plus 50, 100. That's it. Next. In the given figure, AB is a tangent to a circle with center O such that OB equals 4 cm, OB equals 4 cm, angle OBA equals 30 degree, then AB. What a question. What a question. Beautiful question. Here, no clue here. This is a right angle triangle, complete right angle. This is a point of contact. But what is the way we have to solve the answer? By using linking of other subject. Angle one side is given. Yes, trigonometric ratio. This is a 90 degree. Acute angle, opposite side, adjacent side, hypotenuse. Adjacent side, hypotenuse is given. We should find AP. He is asking AB, adjacent side. So adjacent side by hypotenuse, nothing but cos theta. Here theta is nothing but 30 nana. Children, OAS we should find, that means AB. H is given 4 cos 30. Sin 60 cos 30, same. Sin 60 root 3 by 2. Cos 30 also root 3 by 2. That is equals AB by 4. Cross multiplication 4 into root 3 by 2. That is equals AP. 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja, 2 root 3 is the AP value. This is answer. How these problems are I am explaining in your my best of knowledge. This can be useful for it. Gun charted question coming exam. Keep in mind. Now let us see more interesting question, my dear students. In the top 20 questions, now last 5 questions, let us see, dear children. In the figure below, OP given, find AB. Where is the OP, Amma? By seeing the question, this is the OP. How much? 3. OB, this is the OB, 5. What is asking? AB. I told you very clearly, if you know the Pythagorean triplet, then the answer will be complete. Answer is 8. Am I right or not? How it is, sir? See, this is 3, hypotenuse 5, this is 4. This is 4 means this is also 4. These two are equal, 4 plus 4. 8. Without doing pen paper, if you know the idea, upon trigonometry this is easy, right? Now 5 square 25, 3 square 9, 25 minus 9 16, square root of 16 4, this value 4, this is also 4, 4 plus 4 8. This is an easy technique for you. Next, the tangent PQ at a point P of a circle of radius is 5 cm. This is a radius is 5 cm. And to meet a line through the center at O at a point Q such that so that OQ equals 12. Okay. Then length of the tangent. This is asking. Amma, this is the right angle triangle. 12 given, 5 given. Here OP equals to 5 given. OQ equals 12. Find PQ. Oh yes, hypotenuse. This is the Pythagoras theorem. OQ square equals to OP square plus PQ square. OQ 12. OPU 5. This is PQ square. Right? 144. This is a 25. This is a PQ square. Transport left side. Now 25 transport left side, it becomes to 144 minus 25. That is equals PQ square. 144 minus 25. 119. That is equals PQ square. Now PQ equals to root of 119. Children, here this is the answer. Here hypotenuse is 12. 12 square. Directly we can write. Hypotenuse given. He is asking height. 12 square minus 5 square. 144 minus 25. 190. Root 190. That's it. Next, in the figure, x is equals to what? I told you very clearly previous problem. This angle will be, here angle O will be double of this. In a cyclic quadrilateral, these two angles are must be equal. This angle is double of it, 120. This is 120, automatically this is also 120. So what is asking here? This is asking, x is asking. So 120. Where is 120? This is your answer. This is double of it. These two are equal. 120, 120. So x equals to 120. Okay. Now the area of the shaded region in the given figure, in which two circles are with center A and B touch other at the point C. See children, like a ring, embankment, like that. Here AC is given, I think so, 8. AC is given 8 centimeter. AB is 3 given. I want BC. Total length minus AB. We should get BC. That means AC minus AB. AC minus AB means 8 minus 3. Nothing but 5 centimeter. Oh. So the radius of small circle is 5 centimeter. This is the radius of big circle is 8 centimeter. So what is the ring formula? Area pi of r square minus small r square. Pi 22 pi is right. Capital R 8 square, small r 5 square. Don't take small r 3. Don't take small r3. 8 square minus 3 square. Don't take it. This is 5. This is total 8. This is 5. Small radius, big radius. So it's 64 minus 25. So 64 minus 25 by 39 pi. This is the answer. Okay, 39 pi. Now last but not least, content based question. AB is the tangent, AC is the tangent. O is the center. Okay, right. Which of the following is correct? Which of the following is correct? AOB. AOB. See my finger. AOC. AOC. Yes, I told you. AOB equals, both are equal. AOB equals AOC. It is correct. Next. OAB. OAB. Oh yes, this is also correct. This angular bisected. This is called angular bisecting line. So it is also correct. Next. ABC CAB. Yes, ABC point of contact from here point of contact. This is also correct. All of them. Answer is all of them. So you are all are very good. You are all are practicing well. You are all of them. Dear children, I hope that you are enjoying today our class tangents and secondary circle. Next class I should go with statistics. You don't worry. I should finish 36 classes before one day of your Polyset exam. You trust me. That's it. But my request is you watch our channel till end of the video. You have to see the videos enough. You will get minimum 60 above marks with just watching the videos. Now practicing in the description link, then you will get 80 marks, 80, 90. If you get 90 marks, you see you are in single digit rank. That is your career. Okay, now my dear friends. Now once again, my all videos dedicated for you. You share these videos to your friends, sibling, everybody. In our channel, many videos also there. In motivational videos also there. You see, when you are getting some tension, you go with motivational video. In our channel, I did a motivational videos also. Famous personality interviews also there. You go and see and watch it, get the confidence and practice well. Till then, bye bye.